Here are 5 ways artificial intelligence can help you repurpose your content. Hi, I'm Roy Garcia from Repurpose.io. Stick around till the end of the video for a surprise that might blow your mind. And with that, let's get started. Number 1. Use AI to summarize long-form content into shorter, more easily digestible pieces. AI tools use advanced algorithms and natural language processing techniques to analyze the text and extract essential information. Now, this lets you quickly grasp the main ideas and key points without reading through the entire article. Now, this can be especially useful for busy readers who don't have time to read long articles or documents in full. Now, to use an AI text summarization tool, copy and paste the text you want to summarize. And in just a few seconds, it will generate a shortened text version. Plus, you can adjust the summary length to fit your specific needs. Now, some tools have additional features such as highlighting key phrases, sentences, or providing summary in the form of bullet points. Now, you can save time and effort and quickly get a clear understanding of the content you are reading. Number 2. Using AI to transcribe video and audio content into written content automatically. Another way to leverage AI is to automatically transcribe video and audio into written text. Now, this is useful for making multimedia content more accessible to a wider audience, including people who are deaf or hard of hearing, or maybe those who prefer to just read rather than watch something. Now, upload your audio or video to the tool and it will automatically process the content into text. Now, you can also correct errors or make necessary changes in the process. You can repurpose a written transcript, such as an article or a blog, and share it to your audience. How about using text for blurb and for tweets? The possibilities are endless. Instead of listening, pausing, and typing your video or your audio, try AI transcriptions. It's a lifesaver. Number 3. Use AI to generate new titles and headlines for your content. Are you struggling to develop compelling titles and headlines for your content? Good news! You can use AI to automatically generate new titles and headlines that will help you attract more readers and viewers. AI uses advanced algorithms and processing techniques to analyze your content and generate a list of potentially catchy titles and headlines. Plus, it can be optimized for search engines, increasing the chances of a wider audience to discover your content. How? Just type in the topic or a central idea of your content, specify the style, the tone, and keywords or phrases that you want to target, and the AI tool will generate a list of potential titles and headlines just for you. A compelling title and a headline are crucial for attracting attention and drawing potential clients to your content. Let AI help you today. Number 4. Use AI to identify and extract key points from your content. If you plan to create posts like quotes, carousel images, and listicles, then AI can help you out. Artificial intelligence can automatically identify and extract your content's most important points and quotes. No need to go through the entire video and take notes. AI can do the heavy lifting for you. But don't be limited to social posts. You can also use this for infographics, tweets, and summary posts. Plus, did you know that there are AI tools out there that can generate images just for you? AI is also exploring visual content such as drawings and photos. For all you know, those posts that are having all these likes were made by AI. Talk about automatic content creation. Number 5. Let AI suggest your next topic and content ideas. If you're running out of ideas for new video topics, then you can use AI. Let artificial intelligence suggest new topics based on trends and data from your target audience. And it's easy. Just type in a question and press enter. Wait for the results. The AI engine will dish out potential ideas for your next long-form or short-form video. This can help content creators stay relevant and help them avoid writing the same topic over and over again, ensuring that the ideas are original and unique, thus increasing the chances of engagement from interested readers. Now, don't just take it at face value. Dig in some more by letting AI expand your ideas. And in no time, you'll drill down to your best idea, thanks to AI. Now, here's the big reveal. Are you ready? We used an AI tool called OpenAI to help write the script for this video. Imagine that! But we want to emphasize that AI is a great tool to help you get started. Human thinking, skill, and work are still needed to make the best content. Try it yourself by visiting the link in the description below. Now, using AI to help repurpose your content can save time and effort, giving you a fresh and engaging way to share your content with your audience. Now, combine this with Repurpose.io, you're taking content repurposing to a whole new level. Supercharge your content today by using Repurpose.io. Try Repurpose.io for free by visiting the link in the description below. We can't wait to see what content you'll be making with AI and Repurpose.io. With that, I'm Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again next time.